have a lot of experience with Stone Canyon townhomes, sorry, and in this particular subdivision, and also with this particular floor plan. So the HOA probably covers maintenance in the front yard. I would definitely verify that. So rekey or replace these door handle and deadbolt, as well as on this door, and probably paint the front door as well because it's looking a little rough. We definitely want the front door to make a good impression. The paint throughout actually is not bad. So it's white, which we don't particularly like, but it seems to be overall in okay condition. So the property manager will have to make that call when she actually visits the property. And we'd want to junk this item and some items in the garage. Sorry. I know the property manager does not like any carpet being in the dining room area, and she may not even say it's okay for now, that it may need to be replaced. The thing is, we already have some sort of hard flooring there. So I don't know if we'd want to have the same flooring going throughout the first floor. So these counters are looking a little rough. I've seen the property manager recommend painting cabinets that looked better than these, so these may all need to be painted. The microwave is a space saver, which is great, but it's broken, so that'll probably have to be replaced as well. Stove is old. Washer and dryer usually don't matter if they're older as long as they function. This may have to be removed and then patch over it and paint, possibly. So you definitely want to junk whatever the seller leaves. And there is a smell, which I think I mentioned earlier. Sorry, that was so loud. And I think it's a mildew smell. And it's possible this property's just been sitting for a while. That needs to be touched up. So it may go away when some air flows through. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on this. The carpet going up the stairs looks good. The door handles downstairs don't all match, so we probably want them to match. Remove the screens on the outside, put the 2.5 inch FOA blind. We have a fan, which is great, but it doesn't have a light kit. Don't know if it works. That's something that the inspector would find out. This is the same flooring that was in the kitchen downstairs. These cabinets look a little better. May have to replace that light fixture, which isn't a big expense. I'd say probably replace those 2 blinds because they don't fit that window. This is the same flooring again. They did leave a shower rod. That light fixture may be okay. Maybe replace a little piece at the bottom. Very inexpensive, easy, quick thing to do. And that's that. Oh, and then this light cover may need to be replaced. That's it.